Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to draw a text box in Photoshop. Let's begin. Create a new layer, click the shape, right click, use rectangle tool or rounded rectangle tool, ellipse tool or custom shape tool. Now see this many custom shape tool. Okay. Then I use a rounded rectangle tool. Click here. Then select the color. I use this color and use stroke color. I use stroke color black. Press enter. Click on your mouse, click and drag it and type any text. Without fill, click the shape, click do, do not use fill and text color black. Okay, hold control, select the shape, align middle. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.